This is Kampala Flyover, one of the projects changing the face of Uganda. Before this, traffic here was something else. Long hours, serious congestion, real frustration. But today, things are starting to move differently. This is more than just a bridge. Projects like this do not just happen overnight. The Kampala flyover is part of a bigger plan to reduce traffic congestion and improve movement across Kampala. Uganda started investing more in infrastructure like this to make the city faster, more connected, and ready for the future. So today, I'm going to walk around this flyover to see how it actually works in real life and if it is really making a difference. In case you are new here, my name is Priska Oriade, a solo traveler from Nigeria. Please do well to subscribe. Let's go. Hey guys, how you all doing? Guys, I'm still exploring the beautiful country of Kampala. And I'm still exploring the beautiful country of Kampala, guys. And over here is the flyover bridge. Oh my god, guys, take a look. This is the flyover bridge here in Kampala. Can't wait to, explore this bridge and show you guys what this bridge is about. So this is what it looks like. Oh my god. So yeah, let us explore this place together. Wow. Oh yeah, look at this temple. Oh wow. That means there's a very strong Indian influence here in
Not very many Indians.
oh, many Indians.
Many.
Oh nice. I think he should be here. Yeah, okay. So guys, this is the beautiful city of Kampala. Wow, and this is another temple over here. This is another temple. I think it should be another Hindu temple. Yeah, this is what it looks like. Wow. Hello. So guys, this is what it looks. Wow. This is Kampala, and this is the flyover bridge. Huh? But it's okay. This is what it looks. Hello. How you doing?
We are fine.
Should we pass here? Wow. So they created this bridge to ease congestion here in Kampala.
Kampala.
Okay. Wow. Ooh. Look at it, guys. You can see the busy movement. And guys, over here is another. Wow, look at the busy streets of Kampala. Wow. Take a look, guys. This is actually very beautiful. Wow. It's so big, I don't even know where else to go, where else we are going. It's really big. Wow, guys. Hey, sorry. Hi. how you doing? Are you from Kampala? Are you from Uganda? Yes. What's your name? Oh, okay, tell me, what do you love about your country? What do you love about Kampala?
It has beautiful ladies.
Oh, it says you love the lady. Yes. What about you? What do you love about Kampala?
Even me, beautiful ladies.
Beautiful ladies. That means you like ladies a lot. All right, thank you. So guys, this is Kampala. Wow. Woo. Today is not busy. Yesterday when I passed this place, oh my god, it was crazy.
Maybe a weekend.
Oh, weekend.
Yeah, we pass like this.
Okay, and go. Where?
No, we're going the other side.
Okay. Oh. Hello. Are you from Uganda?
Come on.
You're from Uganda?
I'm Rasta Tiller from Uganda, Kampala.
Okay, what?
Wagwan everybody
Yeah.
out there. Where you come from?
Nigeria.
Nigeria, where go see Wagwan there.
Hey.
Love your music, Pato Lankin.
Yeah, what's your name?
Saint Tiller Tiller Wasamanja.
Oh, nice,
Yeah, man,
to,
nice
meet
to meet you too.
All right. Oh my god, guys, the people here are so friendly. They are so friendly, you know, they just love people. And I feel like something about Uganda is the people are really welcoming. You know, they don't need to know you before they welcome you and treat you really well. So this is the Flyover Bridge here in Kampala. Wow. Woo. It's quite busy, yeah. So guys, you can feel how vibrant Kampala is. You can feel the vibrant energy. And guys, I love Kampala. In short, Kampala is giving me Lagos vibe. It's as if I'm in Lagos. Yeah, so I really, really love this city, and you can I feel like I'm shouting. I feel like I'm shouting to the camera so that you guys can hear me. That's because Kampala is quite busy, it's noisy, and yeah, it's really, really vibrant. So this is the beautiful streets of Kampala, Uganda. Yes! Woo. So guys, this is still the Flyover Bridge, and yeah, I'm still taking you guys through the Flyover Bridge here in Kampala. And I was told it's even weekend. You know, if I come during the weekday, there's a lot of people, there's a lot of cars, but you know, it's the weekend, so it's still less. Yeah, so this is the beautiful streets of Kampala, Uganda. Wow, look at the Flyover Bridge, guys. It is really beautiful. Wow. Hello. Oh my God. Yeah, we're climbing the bridge. Okay. Hello. I'm fine. How you doing? Okay. By the time I'm done, I'm going to lose weight. Wow, guys. Look at the Flyover Bridge. Oh my God. Look at the sunset over here. It adds beauty. Wow, guys, look at the beautiful skyline of Kampala. Wow. This is so nice. Are you coming down? Okay. Guys, the bridge is actually a lot, so I don't think I'm going to show you guys everything. In short, I almost got lost. Thank God I'm with my friends, Joy Obatan and Jovia Josephine. Please, guys, check out their YouTube channel. They do really nice job showcasing Uganda and Africa as a whole. So this is what the bridge looks like, and honestly, I really, really like it. You can see people are making use of the bridge. It is serving its cause. As usual, I would love to hear your thoughts in the comment section. What do you think about this bridge in Kampala? Also, do not forget to subscribe, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. It's a way of supporting me. Subscribe, guys. Oh, guys. Look at the flyover. This flyover represents growth. Better road means faster movement. More businesses, more opportunities. It's a sign Uganda is investing in its future. Honestly, coming from Lagos, I know what traffic can do to your day. So seeing something like this, it's different. What do you say?
How are you?
Fine, how you doing? What's your name?
My name is Dixon.
Okay, nice to meet you.
Yes.
Bye. It is not just about Uganda, it's about Africa is rising, building, improving, one project at a time. Thank you guys for watching to the very end. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.